Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of floor cleaners with a spotlight on the Mop and Glow Professional Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner with a fresh citrus scent. This product is hands down one of the best 3-in-1 floor shine solutions available, and we're here to tell you why it's a must-have in your cleaning arsenal. When it comes to achieving a spotless shine on a variety of surfaces, Mop and Glow stands out with its powerful shine lock formula. This floor cleaner not only cleans but also shines and protects, leaving your floors gleaming with minimal effort. Its multi-surface design makes it perfect for all kinds of flooring, whether it's wood, vinyl, tile, or linoleum. The versatility of this product is simply unmatched, making it an excellent option for any home or workspace. One of the standout features of this Mop and Glow cleaner is its ease of use. You don't need to worry about multiple cleaning steps or extra products. Simply squeeze out a small amount directly onto your floor and use a damp mop or sponge to spread it evenly. The cleaner dries in about 10 to 20 minutes, leaving behind a beautiful, long-lasting shine that transforms any room. The fresh citrus scent is an added bonus, filling your space with a clean and inviting fragrance as you mop. It's not just a floor cleaner, it's a quick and convenient way to make your home feel fresh, clean, and welcoming. Plus, the 64-ounce bottle, which comes in a pack of 2, ensures you'll have plenty of solution to tackle your cleaning tasks. What's more, the convenient handle makes it easy to apply the solution, and the sleek bottle design ensures that every drop counts. There's no need to worry about spills or wastage. The application process is smooth and controlled, ensuring your floors are perfectly coated without making a mess. While many floor cleaners claim to be multi-surface, Mop and Glow truly delivers on this promise, leaving your floors not only clean but also polished and protected from future dirt and grime. Its formula is designed to fight against the buildup of dirt, giving your floors a consistently shiny and clean look over time. In terms of value, Mop and Glow is a top contender. It offers you a complete floor cleaning experience in just one product, saving you time, effort, and money. Whether you're tidying up before a special occasion or simply want to maintain your floors regularly, this floor cleaner is up for the job. It's perfect for both home and commercial use, and its reputation as a trusted cleaner speaks volumes. So, if you're in the market for a floor cleaner that cleans, shines, and protects, look no further than Mop and Glow Professional Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner. It's a simple yet highly effective solution that promises to keep your floors looking their best. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more reviews on Product Critique.